It's baby! My goodness! I didn't know we would be getting Ckia today.
That was very cute.
That was so cute.
Was that a real baby?
It looked like a real baby.
That was very cute. I feel like I was missing a little bit of the raspiness that you would expect from a cough. To me, that was pretty much perfect in the goo goo gagas.
A good goo goo gaga.
And very high on the sound frequencies, too.
She was giving baby. I was feeling the entire vibe of a baby, but it felt like a baby trying to act cute instead of a baby coughing because it had to cough. It was like a baby that's like...
lacking a little bit of authenticity there.
So baby similarity, good goo goo gaga. Sound frequencies, was not getting that. Was not getting...
We're not getting baby cough.
Alright, I have my vote.
I've got mine, too.
It's still a high baby score.
For me, I don't know. It was just very cute.
She was cute. But I have to be a fair judge.
One of us has to be.